We're tired of getting food from outside, so we tried to make something today. So this is what we have: microwave and I don't know what is it, water boiler. But we don't have any ingredients, so we need to go get some ingredients from Lotus supermarket in Pattaya. So we're gonna go right now. Let's go. We finally found a hand truck. It was very hard to find it, so we found it. I'm looking for kimchi right now. Yes. We got white rice. You need to microwave it for 7 minutes, I think. Right? Yeah. We got, what is this? Dumplings. For 90 baht. Now looking for kimchi. Smaller kimchi for me. Let's look for something else. Liz found something. What did you find? Bulldog. With Korean instant noodles. Okay, how much is it? 40 baht. Let's go. I got kimchi. 71 baht. I put the other one back because it's frozen. Very frozen. You saw better rice. How much is the list?
17 baht.
17 baht. Here we go.
Jumbo rice.
You just put it in the microwave and that's it. There's so many noodles. Oh my god. I'm gonna getting this. I'm not getting this. I tried this before, so I'm gonna get this. Mama. It means mama. I got the tom yum. This is what we got. This is a very healthy diet. Is it healthy? A joke. So how much do you think it's gonna be, Liz?
400.
So you just calculate it.
No.
I give 360 baht. 10 baht. Let's see. 71.
89. Was it?
Yes.
9.
Good. 216. 25. 64. 81. Aye, so I won. We gotta get out of the mall now. Late at night. Dark outside. Humid too, very humid. This is how Pattaya looks like at night. And 7-Eleven. We couldn't find the water there. I think Thai water is better, the blue one.
This one?
Yeah, these are better. 14 baht.
Well, I tried the job.
Right now? They have a joffle here. Cheese carbonara. Which one you want? Let's get this one. Ham cheese croissant. We can get one.
Yeah.
They warm it up for you. That was 61 baht. Oh, she's warming it up for us. The joffle. The sandwich. We got it. We got it. We gotta eat it right now, Liz. You gotta eat it while it's hot.
Very hot.
Very hot?
Too hot.
And then we can eat it at home. It's gonna cool down.
I'll let you know.
Yes. Now we're going home, guys. After 7-Eleven, we got water. 2 waters. 1 joffle thing. Thai sandwich. 7-Eleven sandwich. That's it. I guess we spent around 10 bucks today. 360 baht. So 10 US dollars. Let's go home now. We made it to our hotel. Let me try the joffle. Half for you, Liz. This is how it looks like. Okay. I have the bigger one. So I'm gonna eat it now. Oh. Oh, pretty good. This one is, I think, ham with cheese. Pretty good. It's just toasted bread with cheese and ham. That's how it tastes like. Chef is Liz now. She's warming up the rice. Temperature is 360. Okay. Okay, getting ready.
A few moments later.
Here we go. Our dinner is ready. Our dinner is ready to be eaten by human. This is the rice, of course, and kimchi, everything else. We're gonna eat it now. Let's eat it. Now it's time to try the chicken. This is chicken. Don't know if it's real chicken, but let's taste it. Tastes like beef, spicy beef. I think it's chicken here. Yeah, it's chicken. Time for noodles, guys. I heard it's spicy. The bulldog. I've tried the red one before. It was very spicy. Let's try this one. I don't know, because the chicken was so spicy, so still is in there. My taste buds came back. So I can in other words, I can taste the noodles now. Creamy and spicy. Not as spicy as I thought it would be. Overall, it's good. I'm going to go finish it up. Bye.